Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna show you this. This is broke right now, so this still has to be fixed. So just so you know, that's one thing we are working on with shift collar. But we'll start it up. Runs good. There's your radio, AC, all your controls work. Quarter tank of fuel, there's your oil pressure. It's cold right now. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. Wipers work.
Putting your business in the spotlight.
And that's your rear glass. You can see working.
Is happening Sunday, May 11th.
We'll turn the lights on. Let's take a listen to the engine. Dome light, we'll have to check see each bulb, but that's not working. See, the air's kicking in. Power steering, power brakes, runs like a watch. There's your headlights. Tail lights. So everything except for the dome light, and then we got to fix this indicator. 605-695-7391.